In previous video, we learned about more about line and angular direction in AutoCAD. Today, we will learn about the coordinate system in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, this is the drawing area, and if you would like to work on a new drawing, here is the plus symbol. Just press it. The new drawing is started. This is the workspace, the drawing area, the new drawing. If you would like to work on previous one, just click here. That is the previous one. Let's suppose we would like to start on the previous one. So first we will erase the previous object. This is the object, we deleted it. Now this is the x and y. This is the 0. We always write x comma y, x 0, x comma y. For example, here is the 0 comma 0 because x is 0 and y is 0. The same way, x toward the right direction, x increasing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, 1000, as much as you can go. The same way, toward up directions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, 1000, whatever, as much as you can go. The same way, x, here is minus x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, 1000, whatever, as much as you can go. The same way, toward the down directions, y is decreasing, the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, 10, 100, as much as you can go. Let's start practical. Before doing practical, we would like to explain you about, here is the visibility of grid line. If you press this grid icon, it will off the grid line, and once again if you click it, it will again show it. This is not a part of drawing, it's just for the visibility purpose, it's just for visualizations. So if you are comfortable to work on the grid, you can work on the grid. So we would like to create an object 10 comma 10 length and 10 width. So before starting, for example, we would like to create a point p. For creating point, we have to give a command point, point. So the x 10 and the y 10. For example, we would like to create a point here. So once we write the point command asking specify a point, so we would like to give 10 means the x 10, the comma, the y is 10. Enter. So you can see here is a small dot is created. If you would like to change this symbol, the point symbol, so you need to give the command ddp ddp type. So once you click the ddp type, just if you would like to change this symbol, press OK. So it has changed. The same way, as you know, once you press the enter, the previous command will be executed. So we would like to use the previous command, means the ddp type, again pressing enter. So now the windows came. Here's a point style window came. Now for example, this time we need to change this symbol, point style. Just click, it has changed. The same way, for example, this symbol we need, it has changed. The same way, enter, and for example this point, so it has changed. So this point coordinate is x is 10 and the y is 10. So 10 comma 10. The same way, Here what will be the here coordinate? So the x minus 1 2 3 it means the minus 10 here. The y is 0. So let's start point point. Specify point minus 10 the comma x is 0. So x is not x is minus 10 and y is 0. Y didn't increased. The same way the y is x is minus 10 and the y is minus 10. For example, here we would like to create a point here minus 10 x and minus 10 y. So again let's point enter minus 10 comma minus 10 enter. See, it's created here. So here means the minus x is minus 10 and the y is minus 10. So this is the minus 10 comma minus 10. Here is the plus 10 comma plus 10 means x is 10 and the y is 10. Let's start to create a rectangle. For example, for creating a rectangle, you just write the rec command. Rec means rectangle. Okay, so let's click here, asking specify the first corner of the rectangle. So here we would like to create from here a 0 comma 0 means x 0 and y 0. So the x means 0 comma 0. So 0 comma 0 enter. So it's started from 0 comma 0. Now we would like to the x is 10 and the y is 10. From here up to here we would like to create the rectangle. So we give the 10 comma 10 enter. So now it has created. This is the 2D. So the x and y is showing. By using the navigator you can use it and you can see that this is the x, y and this is the z. Z is height. So length and width is x and y and the height is, so now this is the 2D, so there is no height. For if you would like to give the height, you have to use the change command. Let's change, change, enter. Select the object we would like to change to this object. Now press enter. So again asking for what to change, property P. Just press the P enter. Then it's asking so many giving the options like color, elevation, layer, line type. Now later on we will explain you all these things. Now we would like to change only the thickness. For giving height we have to just use the thickness command. So we have to press the first character T, the thickness T, enter. So it's asking the current thickness is 0. There is no height. So if you will for example we would like to give the 5. Here is the 5, enter. So is after giving again asking anything more to change? No. Then again we would like to press the enter. Finally once press the enter, the height has created. So now it's complete 3D box has created. So this is the x, this is the y, length, width and the height is 10. So you can assume it, this is the building 10 by 10 and the height is 5 meter. The same way 10 meter 5 meter, or you can also assume it is a steel sheet 10 length, 10 width, and height is 5, or in 10 centimeter or mm. So later on we will explain you about the scale system in AutoCAD. So just now you can see it by navigator. You can see it in as much as whatever direction you would like to see it, you can see it. Just you change the direction. So hope you understand, and let's practice it. As much as you can practice, you can understand. This is the basic coordinate system in AutoCAD. The length, width, and height, the x, y, and z. X, y, and z. Z is height, length and width is x and y.